In today's global business and financial environment, proving where you pay tax is more important than ever. For individuals and companies operating in the UAE, the Tax Residency Certificate has become a crucial document in 2026. A Tax Residency Certificate, also known as a Tax Domicile Certificate, is issued by the UAE Federal Tax Authority. It officially confirms that an individual or a company is a tax resident of the United Arab Emirates for a specific 12-month period. The Tax Residency Certificate allows individuals and businesses to benefit from the UAE's double taxation avoidance agreements with more than 135 countries. It helps avoid double taxation on income earned abroad, provides proof of tax domicile for banks and authorities, and strengthens international financial credibility. For companies, it also proves real economic presence and management within the UAE. With the introduction of corporate tax and stricter global compliance standards, the rules for obtaining a tax residency certificate in the UAE have become more detailed and structured in 2026. Individuals can qualify through different routes. Under the 183-day rule, you must be physically present in the UAE for at least 183 days. The 90-day alternative route applies to UAE or GCC nationals, residents with permanent accommodation, or individuals holding valid employment contracts. In special cases, residency may also be proven through the Center of Vital Interests based on family, financial activity, and lifestyle in the UAE. For companies, eligibility requires at least 1 year of operation, a valid trade license, and real management and control within the UAE. Audited financial statements are mandatory, and from 2026 onward, a valid corporate tax registration number is required for the application. The application is submitted online through the Federal Tax Authority's EmaraTax portal. The process includes document preparation, online submission, payment of fees, and verification by the authority. Once approved, the Tax Residency Certificate is issued digitally and can also be obtained as a hard copy if required. With stricter documentation and compliance checks, even a small error can cause delays or rejection. Professional advisors like Arabian Wings assist with complete application management. The Tax Residency Certificate UAE 2026 is not just a formality. It is a vital tool for international tax planning, financial security, and global credibility. For expert assistance, connect with Arabian Wings. Our team ensures accurate documentation and hassle-free submission. Visit ArabianWings.com. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more updates on UAE tax regulations. Stay updated with UAE Business Insights.